Mastering the usage of her in singular possession. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey into the world of English language determiners, specifically, her, as a possessive determiner. We'll discover how to use her in the context of singular possession, a crucial concept for fluent and accurate English. Let's dive right in. Her is a possessive determiner in the English language. We use her when the possessor is a single female. It's her book, her phone, her idea. You get the picture. In all these cases, her is showing us who the thing belongs to. Let's look at a few examples to illustrate this concept. 1. This is her cat. The cat belongs to a singular female person. 2. I borrowed her pen. The pen belongs to a singular female person. 3. We are going to her house. The house belongs to a singular female person. To master the usage of her, it's important to practice its application in different sentence structures. 1. Beginning of a sentence, her car is parked outside. 2. Middle of a sentence, I like her style of writing. 3. End of a sentence, that book is hers. Remember, the word following her is what's possessed by a singular female person. A common mistake is to confuse her with she. Remember, her is used for possession while she is a subject pronoun. Incorrect usage, she had is red. Correct usage, her hat is red. Her is also not to be confused with hers. Hers is a possessive pronoun used to replace the noun entirely, whereas her is a determiner that comes before a noun. Incorrect usage, that is her. Correct usage, that is hers. That's all for today's exploration of her in singular possession. Remember, practice is key to mastery, so try using her in different sentences to enhance your understanding and fluency. Stay tuned for more exciting English lessons. Happy learning, and see you next time.